Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to calculate simple interest. So let's start this with the program. Here in the first part, this part defines a function named calculate simple interest, as a function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. The function takes three parameters: principal, rate and time. Principal, the amount of principal, the initial amount of money, and rate, the rate of interest as a percentage, and time, the time the money is invested or borrowed for in years. Inside the function, the simple interest is calculated using the formula as simple interest is equals to P into R into T divided by 100, where P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and T is the time period in years. The calculated simple interest is then returned from the function so it can be used later in the program. Here in the next line, the program asks the user to enter the amount of principal, and in the next line it prompts to enter the amount of rate, and in the next line the amount of time period in years. Each input is read as a string by the input function, so we use the float function to convert them into floating point numbers, which allow us to handle decimal values. Now, in the next line, once the user provides the values for the principal, rate and time, the program calls the calculate simple interest function. The function is executed using the input values for principal, rate and time. It returns the calculate simple interest, which is stored in the variable simple interest. Now in the last line, finally the program uses the print function to display the calculated simple interest. The result is formatted as a string and displayed to the user. The F before the string denotes an F string, which allows the embedding variables like simple interest directly into the string. So let's check this program. I am entering the principal value as 5000. Now the rate of interest I am entering is 12% and the time in years is 3. Hence the simple interest is 1800. So thanks for watching this video.